Namaste. Today you all might be busy buying gold and valuable things for you and your family, right? Because today is Dhanteras, or is called Dhanatrayodashi in South India. But do you know that there is one more speciality of this day? No? Let me tell you. Today is Dhanvantari Jayanti. It is celebrated as National Ayurveda Day because he is the Lord of Ayurveda. This auspicious occasion comes every year to celebrate exactly 2 days before Deepavali. What is Ayurveda? Ayurveda means knowledge about how to increase the lifespan and stay healthy. The main aim of Ayurveda is to lead a stress-free, disease-free, long and healthy life. Who doesn't want to lead such a life? Everyone dreams for this, right? Just imagine the world with people who are super healthy and disease-free. Just the thought itself is so beautiful, right? But is it really possible? The answer is yes. It is possible through our ancient Indian system of medicine, Ayurveda. Ayurveda is the science of living. But before going into the detail, let me ask you a few questions. What is human psychology? How to deal with psychosomatic disorders? What are the benefits of wholesome foods and millets? How to sleep? When to sleep? How long to sleep? What are the benefits of getting up in the early morning, that is in the Brahma Muhurtam? Or all about water intake and many more. So to all my questions, your answers might range from maybe Sigmund Freud to, modern scientists, or people following naturopathy lifestyle, Dr. Khader Wali, or modern fitness experts, isn't it? But do you know that all of these people are inspired by Ayurveda? Because all these things are explained in detail in Ayurveda several thousands of years before. If you happen to go through the books like Charaka Samhita and Sushruta Samhita, you will be astonished to know the things. Now modern scientists are proving them. Such is the system Ayurveda, the Upaveda of Atharvana Veda, which teaches us how to be healthy and how to prolong life. Ayurveda begins with the Ayushkami Adhyaya, which clearly means that the desire to live long. So they have done everything with which we can prolong our lifespan and stay healthy. Ayurveda teaches us a healthy daily routine, which is called as Dinacharya. A seasonal regimen which we need to follow in every season, that is called as Riticharya. And what are the foods to be taken as per the Prakriti, that is as per our constitution, Vata, Pitta or Kapha. Not just each one of us, but every individual cell in our human body is made up of Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Entire Ayurveda revolves around balancing this Vata, Pitta, Kapha in the body. It tells us how to balance Vata, Pitta, Kapha through particular foods, particular lifestyle and particular regimens. Doesn't it sound simple? It is very simple. Follow Ayurvedic principles and stay healthy. If at all, if you fall sick, go for Ayurvedic treatments before you step into the corporate hospitals and become a patient for a lifetime. Have you ever heard of diabetes getting cured, or thyroid or high blood pressure getting cured with the modern medicines? No. Because if you get any one of these conditions, or maybe a combination of these conditions, you are advised to take the medicines for a lifetime. That means as long as you are alive, that is till the last day on this earth, you are supposed to take the medicines. That means your disease is not cured, but your disease is maintained for a lifetime. It is high time for you to understand that modern medicine or system of allopathy is the system of emergency. It's an emergency medicine. In case of road accidents, heart attacks, strokes, in such cases, you must rush to seek the treatments and medicines of the allopathy system. But there are a number of other diseases, other disorders, which doesn't require allopathic medicines. Like you have PCOD, PCOS, irregular menstruation, thyroid, high blood pressure, hypercholesteremia, that is high cholesterol, your uric acid, obesity, skin conditions like eczema, dermatitis, psoriasis. There are a number of such conditions which can be cured forever just with Ayurveda. Some of you might say that Ayurveda doesn't work for you. That is because you doesn't have enough faith in the system so that it can work for you. Just eat wholesome, practice yoga every day, follow naturopathy principles, and if at all if you fall sick, go for Ayurvedic medicines, and in case of emergency, go for allopathy. That's all. These 5 simple rules will keep you healthy throughout your life and definitely will prolong your lifespan also. Just think about it. Because the real dhan is health. So that is why it is called as health is wealth, isn't it? So on this Dhanteras, let us bring real wealth into our lives. That is the health. We at Maitri offer Ayurvedic consultations, Ayurvedic treatments and medicines also, along with yoga and naturopathy. On behalf of Maitri Yoga Nature Cure Center, I wish each one of you and your families a very happy and healthy life. Thank you very much for watching. And if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.